We completed the demand, right? Right, everything related to demand except elasticity of demand. Now I will take the supply. So basically there are two sides to a market. One is demand side, which is represented by the consumers and the quantity demanded, and another side of the market is supply side, represented by the suppliers and the quantity, right, made available by them in the market. So one side is the demand side जो हमने अभी complete किया, and now the second side we are going to study is the supply side. Supply is that quantity a seller is willing to and is able to, right, make available in the market at a various prices. As the price changes, the quantity offered for sale also changes, and therefore, right, जैसे डिमांड के यहाँ पे हमने बोला था, डिमांड इज द क्वांटिटी डिमांडेड by the buyers or buyer, right, the quantity that buyers are willing to buy at a various prices during a given period of time in a given market. On similar basis, supply is the quantity, like, made available by suppliers at a given point of time at a given market at a various prices. So, right, supply, right, and stock is a different. Try to understand that everybody knows, right? Stock versus supply. Stock versus supply. Stock and supply. As we know, stock is source of supply. Stock is, right, it is a source of supply. If there is a stock, only then I can supply. Source of supply. Supply is actual supply. Actual quantity offered for sale. Offered for sale is your supply. Second, stock is called as potential supply. Is called as potential supply. ये quantity आप supply कर सकते हो, that is your potential, right? Not necessarily you will supply everything. Not necessarily you will supply everything. You may keep as a reserves, right? But it is a potential supply, and supply is obviously actual supply. So it is that quantity which is offered for sale out of the stock. So it is actual. Then stock is a static concept. It does not flow basically. And supply is a flow concept. Like demand, supply is also a flow concept. Means it is not an isolated transaction. It has a several series of supplies. Then only I will say it is a supply. जैसे demand के time बोला, isolated demand does not constitute effective demand. And similarly, a isolated supply, single transaction does not make it a supply chain. So it should be a flow. Continuous supply होने चाहिए to multiple buyers at a multiple prices like that. Then third, generally stock exceeds supply. Generally, right? Supply means supply cannot exceed the stock. You cannot supply more than what you have. आपके पास जितना है उतना आप सप्लाई कर सकते हो. So first you must have stock and then only you can supply. So stock exceeds supply or supply cannot exceed stock. यहाँ पे मैं लिखूंगा supply cannot be greater than stock. Greater than stock. सप्लाई कैन नॉट बी ग्रेटर देन स्टॉक. हाउएवर, ये जब मैं बोलता हूं इन केस ऑफ पेरिशेबल गुड्स या सपोज इन केस ऑफ ड्यूरेबल गुड्स, हमने परसों के लेक्चर में देखा था कंज्यूमर गुड्स आर ऑफ टू टाइप्स, ड्यूरेबल कंज्यूमर गुड्स एंड नॉन ड्यूरेबल कंज्यूमर गुड्स और पेरिशेबल्स. सो ड्यूरेबल गुड्स के केस में means which can be stored and can be made available at a later stage. So durable goods के केस में stock is always greater than supply, right? In case of non durable goods or perishables, stock and supply are equal because you cannot store them. Try to understand, you have to supply them like vegetable dealer egg, right? He has to supply whatever he has, he cannot store it because shelf life is very less, they are perishable in the nature. Milk, right? Food items. So unke case mein, right, whatever is with you, you will try to sell it even at a lower price because you don't want to like suffer a loss just because you, right, you couldn't sell it. So perishable, and this is very common. अगर आप विलेज साइड में जाते हो, राइट, और वहां पे देखते हो कि एक वीकली बाजार लगता है एंड जनरली, राइट, वहां पे दो टाइप्स के कंज्यूमर्स होते हैं. एक, दिस इज ऑब्जर्वेशन, आई हैव ऑब्जर्व दैट मेनी टाइम्स, मतलब मैं मेरे फ्रेंड्स वगैरह उनसे, राइट, मैंने देखा है. एंड इवन इन पहले जब पता नहीं था तब आई, राइट, मैं थोड़ा सरप्राइज होता था कि ऐसे क्यों होता है. लाइक देयर आर सम बायर्स हु विल गो अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग और फर्स्ट हाफ ऑफ द डे, पूरे दिन चलता है वो बाजार. फर्स्ट हाफ में कोई लोग जाते हैं, दे परचेस, एंड देयर आर मेनी पीपल who will go in a latter half and they will purchase. जनरली जब खत्म होने को आएगा तब वो परचेस करेंगे. रीजन, जब वो बाजार खत्म होने पे आता है तो प्राइसेस डिक्रीज होते हैं बिकॉज जो भी स्टॉक है उनको निकालना होता है, लाइक वेजिटेबल्स रहा, फूड आइटम्स रहा, कोई स्वीट आइटम्स रहते थे. सो जनरली जो हेल्थ कॉन्शियस है या जिनके इनकम लेवल हायर है वो लोग मॉर्निंग में जाते हैं, राइट. वो उनको फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि प्राइसेस अर्ली मॉर्निंग ज्यादा होती है, तो वो जनरली मॉर्निंग में परचेस करते हैं. वही जो लाइक इनकम लेवल जिनकी कम रहती है, दे गो इन द इवनिंग एंड दे बाय इट बिकॉज वहां पे प्राइसेस डिक्रीज हो जाती है. सो पेरिशेबल के केस में द सेलर्स विल सप्लाई इवन एट ए लोअर प्राइस बिकॉज दे कैनॉट स्टोर इट. इफ दे ट्राई टू स्टोर इट दे विल सफर द लॉस. सो जो भी प्राइस मिलेगी उस प्राइस पे वो सेल करेंगे एंड देयरफॉर इन दोस बाजार्स इवनिंग में प्राइसेस डिक्रीज होती थी. इवन बायर को पता है कि इसको सेल ही करना है तो ही विल ऑलवेज डिमांड लेस प्राइस. समझ में आ रहा है? सो दैट इज ए बिहेवियर, ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी. सो देन this is difference between stock and supply. This is difference between stock and supply. There can be another differences, but these are the major prominent differences. Next, supply is, या मैं पहले डिमांड लिखता हूं. Demand is, right, quantity demanded, right, is, I used to say it is a desire backed by willingness and, right, obviously supported by the ability, purchasing power, right, ability. This is related to consumer. Then on the contrary, supply is willingness to supply plus ability to supply. Ability to supply plus ability to supply. Ability to supply plus 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 ability to Like example, today the prices of essentials have increased. So I willing to supply, but there should be ability. मेरे पास स्टॉक होना चाहिए. Ability is represented by the stock. Are you getting my point? Ability is represented by the stock. अगर stock है तो ही मैं supply करूंगा, otherwise नहीं. I have willingness, but I don't have ability, means I don't have stock. Ability is represented by stock. I cannot supply. So supply is the willingness of the sellers to offer, right, commodities for sale, also supported by their ability. So this is of suppliers. Suppliers, it is willingness to supply supported by ability to supply. And whenever I say ability, I am referring to the stock, because stock is a potential supply. You must have potential, you must have ability to supply. Are you getting my point? So stock. Then this is the definition of the supply. Then next, supply function. Supply function is represented as, again function hai, matlab there has to be some dependent variable and some independent variable. Quantity supplied of commodity X, quantity supplied of commodity X depends on, it depends on, it's a function of many factors. They are called as determinants of supply. उनको क्या बोला जाता है? Determinants of supply. Example, price of the commodity itself, price of X itself. Yes, price of the commodity decides the quantity supplied of the commodity. Prices of other goods, I say related goods, RG. आप कुछ भी यूज कर सकते हो, या price of Y लिखो. We are talking about, right, quantity supplied of X is impacted by the price of other goods, related goods, or Y, price of Y. Then it can be like affected by, right, cost of production. Factors of production decides the cost of production. Then it can be determined by technology used. It can be decided by government policy. अच्छा, इसके सिवा कौन कौन से हो सकते हैं बोलो? कॉस्ट ऑफ प्रोडक्शन हो गया, टेक्नोलॉजी हो गया, राइट, नंबर ऑफ सेलर्स, कंपटीशन, number of sellers. Supply also decided by number of sellers. Then infrastructure facilities. Infrastructure facilities. और बोलो किस पे डिपेंड रहता है? राइट, सप्लाई डिपेंड्स ऑन. ओके, और क्या हो सकता है? ओके, स्टेट ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी ले लिया मैंने. यस, यस, एक्सपेक्टेशंस अबाउट फ्यूचर प्राइसेस, वो दोनों में रहेगा, डिमांड में भी रहेगा, इसमें भी रहेगा एक्सपेक्टेशंस. ठीक है. देन एक्सपोर्ट एंड इंपोर्ट. एक्सपोर्ट एंड इंपोर्ट, यस, एक्सेट्रा, देयर आर मेनी अदर्स, मैं इतना लेता हूं. ठीक है. सो quantity supplied, right? Okay, time can be like, you can say time. In short run, I cannot increase the supply, right? Time factor is also there, time. Good point, etc. Try to understand. These are the factors which decide the quantity supplied in the market. Therefore, quantity supplied is dependent variable. Dependent variable. and these are collectively called as determinants of supply are independent variable. Determinants of supply, right? They are independent variables. Independent variable. So quantity supply depends on many other factors. Depends on many factors. And some of them हमने लिस्ट में लिखे. And we will understand them one by one. First, price of commodity itself. This is foremost determinant of supply. The price of the commodity decides the like supply of the commodity. Reason is very simple. The intention of the seller is very clear. They want to earn the profit. They want to earn the profit. They will supply the commodity which will give them more profit. Means the commodity which is priced more और जिसकी price ज़्यादा रहेगी, they are interested to sell that commodity, to supply that commodity. If commodity जिसकी प्राइस ज्यादा रहेगी वहां पे प्रॉफिट ज्यादा रहेगा एंड देयरफॉर उसका सप्लाई ज्यादा रहेगा. ऑन द कॉन्ट्ररी, वो कमोडिटी जिनकी प्राइसेस कम होती है, राइट, उनके केस में, राइट, प्रॉफिट कम होता है एंड देयरफॉर, राइट, सप्लाई कम होता है. अनदर एग्जांपल मैं आपको जेन्युइनली बोल सकता हूं, राइट,